Fox. Where are we? What are these stairs? A little chill in the air this morning. It's beautiful here in southeastern Connecticut. Maybe we're in Stonington. Maybe we're in Ledyard. Hope I don't get a copyright infringement on the open to this video this morning. There's some smoke in the sky. Yeah, we went to a concert at Foxwoods last night. And there are some surf breaks around here, but I am not equipped to go surfing. However, the images coming across Twitter this morning are gorgeous. Darius with the moon over Eastham, Boater's Meadow this morning. Moon was full at 6 a.m. and you can see the smoke in the sky. Let's go find some sunshine, T-Rex. I can see some over here. It's gorgeous. Make less noise. Don't want to wake up the people. And most of the webcams can get condensation on the windows at the Beachcomber and down in the hall, but I found one here, Beachmere Inn. And the Beachmere Inn in Agunquit, Maine. You see a swell. I'm sure it's disappointing for some. It wouldn't be for me though, because I don't want an overhead swell. The storm really didn't intensify as much as we thought, not even close really. And let's look at the Jeffries Ledge history. Last night at about 2 a.m. there was a close to 6-foot swell with about a 14-second period. And since then the swell has decreased a little and the period has decreased a little. So we've seen the maximum swell. There is a surf advisory for rip currents today. Although a Category 2 is a far different beast than a Category 4. Here is Earl's representation from Tropical Tidbits. Misspelled that yesterday, sorry about that. And it's racing away. It's becoming post-tropical or extra-tropical. And the surf is going to diminish rapidly now. It's a beautiful day, though, with the sunburn factor close to 10. And where's this smoke coming from in our sky? Look at the fires burning over Idaho and Montana, the western states. There's a little dip in the jet stream bringing that smoke across the central part of the United States and then up over the ridge here into the northeast. And that smoke is probably not going to change too much until a front goes by here. And that front's not coming through for a couple of days. So we have the sunshine today, and then tomorrow the front's getting close. It looks like rain is really close, but it doesn't rain. The low pressure system Monday morning is kind of stalled out there and including over the Midwest. So it's not going to be until about Monday night and Tuesday. Humidity is going to come up. The smoke will go away because the air will be coming from the south, and we'll get some showers and thunderstorms here a little bit Monday, but more so Tuesday. And then nice new air coming in from Canada again. Maybe a little cleaner. Not sure what kind of tree we have here. Can't really focus because I can only use one hand, but was that walnut? Black walnut? Something like that? Rex, where are you going? Okay, that's cool. So I may not get to the beach today. Pretty far away from the beaches. I make an effort, but with the full moon, the tide is high right in the middle of the day. And that's not the best. Maybe a sunset session. Let's see how the day goes. And last night we saw the concert. Scorpions were awesome. And yesterday, a nice full day also. Lunch at the chart room just below the Anglers Club in Osterville. I think reviewed some highlights from yesterday. We're at the Anglers Club. What on earth is the Blue Hill Observatory vehicle doing here? Okay, we're going upstairs. I'm being invited to the penthouse of the Osterville Anglers Club. And what are we doing up here, Charlie?
Going to look about putting in a webcam.
Yeah, a web camera.
In one of the most beautiful views on Cape Cod.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Crosby Yacht Yard. Is this the one that had that big fire a few years ago?
Yeah.
So they rebuilt? Well, that building looks pretty old.
See that over there? That's where it was.
Oh, that's the one.
That's the rebuilt.
What is that huge, beautiful boat?
This is Bill Koch's private yacht club.
Did that America 2 Sail
That's America 3,
3.
1995, the only female crew ever to race in the America's Cup.
So that,
They lost to Stars and Stripes, which was Dennis Conner. But they had they won the first race. It's a beautiful boat.
so then, you think we get a good spot for the camera?
I think that peak up there, looking out over this incredible view, 12 months a year, you'd see something really beautiful here.
You know anyone that sells web cameras?
I think I'm talking to one. This is East Bay right here, North Bay over there. And to get out, you would go that way, or you could circle all the way around and go out the other way.
Okay, so that's almost like an island right there in the middle?
Almost like an island. Yes.
Yep, and so Osterville's right over there, and Katuitt, is Katuitt right over there?
Katuitt is on the other side of the, you can see the water on the other side of the house.
Okay, so that's Katuitt.
Yes.
So that's where you get your Katuitt oysters. That's where the McKinnons live.
Yep.
And sometimes you can take your boat over here for lunch. Is there a spot where you can pull up and have lunch around here somewhere?
Right here.
Oh, right here. Tell that tomato story again.
Yes, I always go to the farmers market here in Osterville, and one of my favorite places sells fresh fruit and tomatoes and all kinds of wonderful stuff. And I said, "Where are your tomatoes?" And she said the whole crop was ruined. We got over 5 inches of rain, and all of the tomatoes are splitting now, and I couldn't bring any.
So we're suffering from drought in Cape Cod, and the tomatoes are all
Exactly.
bursting due to too much water
Yep.
just over the bridge.
Yep.
Can't win, can you?
Nope.
Farming is not easy.
Oh,
But
terrible. I don't know how people
neither
do
is
it for a living.
boating. Could you imagine trying to own a boat?